Hey guys, it's Christina.
And Aman.
And this is our YouTube channel,
Our Rich Journey. I got a question for you, Christina.
I got an answer.
If you had 30 days to come up with a business to make a little bit of money on the side, could you do that?
Side hustle?
I guess that's what that's what I called it.
Yeah.
Yes.
A side hustle, yes.
Yeah. I mean, if you had 30 days, could you do it?
Yeah, I could probably give you 8 ways that you could do it right now.
Okay.
Starting today.
Okay. Can you share that with the people today?
Let's share it with them today. So today we're going to show you 8 ways, 8 side hustles that you can do to earn money starting today. So this first side hustle is a way to help elderly people, remind them to take their medication. So it's a site called Plio.com, and you have to have either a landline or the internet, and you sign up through this site and you actually call on a routine basis certain elderly people to remind them to take their medication. And it actually pays $14 to $16 an hour.
Wow. So that's all I do is you call old people and you get paid for that?
You call elderly people.
Elderly people.
Yes, and it pays you $14 to $16 an hour.
That's a great hustle.
I think so.
Our second side hustle is dog sitting. Now, dog sitting has gone to a whole new level in this day of technology and the sharing economy. So I'm sure you've heard of Airbnb, but this is kind of like the dog housing of Airbnb.
Something like that.
Something like that. So there's a website called rover.com. And on rover.com, people can sign up. Well, they can sign up to sit dogs, and people can also sign up to have their dogs sitted. So basically with this website, you go on there, you create an account. There's a little bit of information that you have to set up, but once you're done, you're able to dog sit. And what's really great is you can set your own prices.
So dog sitting is actually a really specific type of niche, because people who have dogs, they're really into their dogs, and they want to make sure that their dog is properly taken care of. So you can charge whatever rate you want for watching a dog overnight. People pay to have you come to their home during the day. If someone works an 8-hour day, they want someone to come to their house during the day to play with their dog or take their dog out, and people are willing to pay you money to do this.
So the third side hustle is renting out your own car. Now, this may sound a little strange, but when we went to Hawaii a couple years ago, we had a really hard time finding a rental car from one of the big agencies. So we ran across this site called Turo.com, and it's where car owners who maybe they have an extra car or they don't use the car that they have as much, they're able to rent out their car and make money with their car. I think this is a great concept. It's very similar to Airbnb, but it's something where you have an asset, which cars really aren't necessarily an asset, but you have something that you can share with someone else. And people have been able to do so well with this that they've actually made a profit, a big profit, renting out their own car.
So this is how it works. If you have a car that you're not using basically all day, you can sign up on the site and you can put the times or dates of availability where you can rent out your car. You also get to list your car at the price you want to rent it out for. So we've seen cars rented for $25 a day, and if you have a really nice car, you can rent it out for over $300 a day. And we've also seen...
Well, my favorite cars are the hoopties that are on there.
Yeah.
I mean, people will buy a car for $2,000, put it on Turo.com, and they'll rent it out for maybe $25, $30 a day. And you know what? These are reliable cars, but they're still hoopties. And when you buy a car for $2,000, you're starting to profit after a while.
So the basic thing is, if you have a car, you can put it online on Turo.com and you can make money from it. So the fourth side hustle is delivering packages for Amazon. And it's this site called Amazon Flex, where you pick up packages from Amazon and you deliver them. And you can actually make $18 to $25 an hour delivering Amazon packages.
Well, I got a question for you. So if I'm a very slow deliverer, will I make more money? I mean, is there a quota?
Okay, so he's trying to be tricky. The way you do it, though, is they actually give you an app, and the way you drive is calculated by Amazon. So you have to drive the route that they give you. They give you the quickest route. So you can't sort of take side streets and, try and make your 15-minute drive turn into an hour drive. but it is a good price, and you can set the times that you want to do it whenever you're available. You pick it up from either an Amazon facility, or you can actually pick up packages from different businesses. But the point is, you can use your car again, and you're getting paid $18 to $25 an hour to do this.
So the fifth way is teaching English. Now, we've lived in many countries and people want to learn English from us. So we've actually done this before. We've done it in person. But you don't have to live in a foreign country, and foreigners don't have to come to you in the US. There's a site called, what is the site again?
Well, there's many different sites, but the one we're focusing on is called abcsay.com.
Oh, yes. So ABC what?
abcsay.com.
See, I guess you have to be able to speak English to teach English.
We'll put it in the description box.
All right.
Okay, so the reason we picked this specific site, you can look at other sites, but this one pays a lot. It pays $15 to $21 for a 40-minute session. So the thing that's unique about this is that you don't do it one-on-one. You actually do it with at least 4 other people in the course that are attempting or trying to learn English. So it's $15 to $21 for a 40-minute class where you're teaching about 4 different students.
The only requirements for teaching on this particular site is you need to be a native speaker and have a bachelor's degree.
That's right. And the reason why we picked this site also is that you don't have to come up with your own teaching material. They give you the material that you need to teach.
Our sixth side hustle is for freelancers. Now, freelancing can be almost anything. You can freelance with your voice, you can draw, you can do different things. But what we're going to talk about is a specific place where you can do freelancing and get paid for that. And it's on a site called Fiverr?
No,
Fiverr.
It's called Fiverr. Yeah.
Fiverr.
Fiverr.com.
It's spelled with 2 R's.
We'll
right?
put it in the description box.
So on Fiverr.com, you can do anything from doing voiceovers, you can do websites, you can do different drawings, you can help people make cards. There are a lot of different options on Fiverr.
Right, you can write things, you can transcribe things, any type of talent, or you don't even have to have a talent really, is just go online and you can look at all the different things you can do on that site. And usually they range from, I guess the reason why it's called Fiverr is because they range from $5 and up to perform a specific task.
I hope that's why they call it Fiverr. If not, they should hire you, because that makes a lot of sense.
Okay. Our 7th side hustle, and this one is a side hustle that I actually really like because it's a way to create passive income after you've started and developed it. So in this side hustle, it's creating an online course, and you put the online course online and charge people to take the course. The site that we've identified to do that is called udemy.com.
You know, that's a really great site. And you know, you don't really have to have a whole lot of talent, because I've seen people on there doing things that are, you know, pretty basic, like teaching someone how to use Excel, teaching someone how to put together a PowerPoint. Basically, once you put your course online, people have the choice to buy it. And when we talk about passive income, I mean, you can put a course on there and people can be paying for it year after year after year. It's a great side hustle.
Right, so when I say it's passive, after you put it up, you don't really have to do anything else. It just continues to generate money for you. So you might need some time developing it at first, but after that, it just keeps making money for you.
And our last side hustle, number 8. This is my favorite because it means hanging out with people, showing them around your city, and getting paid for it. Now, a couple months ago, I went to New Orleans, and I saw this all over the city. It's basically individuals that give personal tours of the city. Now, when it's a local person, people feel more connected on a tour. They feel like they're being shown around to the different local spots that only that person knows because they live there. So it's a genuine experience that you can give to someone by showing them around your city. So we're going to talk about a couple of different sites that you can do this on. I know that Airbnb has kind of something called experiences, and you can sign up and you can give tours on that. Christina, what are some other ones?
Okay, so there's 2 other sites that we found that you can do this too, and one site is called viable.com and the other one is called showaround.com, and they all have the same type of concept. It's basically you take people who are new to the city or who are tourists to the city and you show them the city. And the great thing about this is that you can pick the time that you want to do it, and you can pick your price too. So you can charge anywhere from $25 an hour for a specific tour per person, and it can go even higher than that. So you have a lot of flexibility with your time and how much you charge with this type of hustle. So one of the things about the tours is that most people that want to do it are tourists. But the cool thing is specifically about Airbnb is that you don't have to just focus on tourists and giving tours. Airbnb really focuses on experiences. So tours are for tourists, but you can also focus on things for people inside the city or the town that you live in. And one example is maybe teaching a cooking course or teaching an art course or
karate. You can teach karate on there. You can
That's
start your
right.
own, you can start your own dojo. But you can do almost anything. The thing is, you're giving someone an experience, and that's what's so special about this side hustle, because an experience is up to you. It's either your talent, it's either your activity, but it's whatever you make it.
So those are our 8 side hustles. You should try one today. You can start today on any one of those and start making money today.
So try a side hustle, and you know what? Let us know how it goes in the comments below.
And remember to keep watching our videos so you can learn more about earning money, saving money, and investing money. And make sure you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.